Hey girl, listen, we are doing some more straight hair. This time we are doing a bob. This is that Genius Wig install, so stay tuned, girl. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. If you are new, hey girl. If you are not new, hey, welcome back. So listen, today we have a video that is going to be collaborated with by Genius Wigs. Be creative and be stylish. And we are here at the Rare Touch Hair Palace because we are always looking for an oh so rare touch. Now listen, today we have a crystal lace. It's a 13x4 bob, 14 inches. It's 180% density. And listen, their claim to fame is the laces. It's about the lace. Come on, lace. Come through, lace. It's about the lace. So listen, we got combs, right? We got this some circumference. I don't know about this middle part, sis. I don't know. But we're going to see. Let's go ahead and get into this install. I might just wear this one out. This one's kind of precious. It's kind of cute. Let's get into it. Hello. Before we get started, here's a really quick lace comparison, as you can see with the clear versus transparent lace. This is to show the difference in the lace durability. When you pull the crystal lace, you don't have to worry about it tearing. And to be honest with you, can you even see it, girl? But anyway, okay. With no further ado, let's get into the install. These are you, Shania, and Bull. have to get with me. And we gonna have a drink. And we gonna do, yes, about different subjects. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the very end of the video. I really, really like this hair. You guys have been asking me for different lengths of straight hair. You love this clear lace. Beautiful, beautiful clear lace. I mean, girl, get into this bob. So similar, but different. And then it's a shorter dupe. I love it. I love the gluelessness of it. It is not glued down. It does not have to be glued down. I mean, you can use the even spray or some Gots to Be and get up and go. Thank you, Genius Wigs, for collaborating with this video. I absolutely love this hair. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop it down below. And all of the information is in the description box, including your discount roll, because you know you need a discount. But until next time, girl, this is cute. It's very much so Sunday at church or in the office. I'm your teacher. Bye, girl. I wanna ride